odd even number because there was several orders on managing the traffic congestion in the city. I've taken strictly from the order of the High Court, mentioning 2 locations. Okay, I did not say that odd even vehicle will be allowed in the rest of the town. It's only specific areas because of the space constraint. That has been so the order has been passed, and we've seen that it has helped, but we have not gone strictly. But because I received a letter from these people, like they wanted to go to the court. So they are challenging the court order. So I was waiting for any kind of, reaction on that. But since I think so, we will definitely this week do some checking. We will definitely go all out for it.
But since the first week was implemented, neither there was a compliance, the other was a checking as far as the authorities.
Yeah, we did not check because waiting for the reaction, on the letter, on the submission which they have given. But since we have seen that it is, the traffic on that 2 areas have really gone down and it improved, when we impose that order. So we will definitely try from our level, to sort of impose that order from tomorrow and see that, things will continue to be, the road congestion will decrease. Yeah. I will tell you why. Because when you look at, we have done a study and we have a lot, the order did not come just like that because the order from the High Court was there from December and other months. Okay. So it took us some time to study why this congestion. We have reports, SP also is here, we have done a thorough report and we've seen who is causing this congestion. Okay, so basically what we have seen is that since the space constraint, these vehicles are rotating. There's no place for them to stand. They keep on moving from one end. It's like a vicious circle like that, So if we lift half of them away from the road, then definitely there'll be space for everyone to go. And mind you, it's not the private vehicles which are causing the traffic because they're not standing anywhere. They are moving. So therefore, we cannot compare that why we are doing this only for the local taxis and buses.
However, let us see this